Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so very much for joining me. Each month I do a collaboration that was put on by Bourbon Creek Crafts, who is Beth here on YouTube. She hosted this, and there is a theme each month to smash our stash. This month is washi tape, die cut borders, border stickers, and love from Lizzie peel-offs. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, washi tape, you all know it, love it, maybe have bought too much of it. Love from Lizzie peel-offs are stickers. It's these long, skinny strips, and maybe in the UK or somewhere else they call stickers peel-offs because I've seen that quite a bit. There are other companies that sell these. I don't have a lot of them, so I didn't push to use them. And then border stickers, which is interesting because I had tons of sheets of Christmas stickers out this month, and honestly, I would not have used the border stickers. So let me show you what I did, and I had quite a bit of fun and decided that I'm going to do some more of these later, and I'll tell you about those at the end. This is one of these border stickers, top and bottom, a scrap of paper, and then I put some stars here, just because this paper was a little challenging for me to work with. I didn't want to cover up the words. I love the idea with the border, the card itself, maybe not so much. And then I just have an ornament on the inside. I have a little something on each one. I have Christmas pulled out, so I had Christmas on the brain. So here I have a border sticker along the bottom and then some scraps of paper. This is the same, I just flipped it and then I didn't have enough, so I put that on. Then I went and looked at my stickers and I kind of loved the Santa and the joy. And this sticker has some sheen to it because these are Echo Park. If it hadn't, I probably would have taken a white gel pen and gone around Santa, but his feet are on the green part. So I just left him, and I think he looks pretty cute. This one is one of those scalloped borders flipped the other way. I actually liked it much better this way. I made this one first. And that's where sometimes you make something and then you build upon it. Then this little elf and a Merry Christmas. And you'll see right here, I do have one strip of the peel off that I used just because I thought this card needed a little something. So I just put one right across the top. Merry Christmas. I like this one. I like having that border flipped and the buffalo checked. And I'm trying to use up the stickers. So these are sticker-based cards, which is totally fine. Whatever you want to craft with is the right thing to do. It's not about what you saw someone else do. So I have stickers, scraps of paper. This one I really like. I like how this one turned out. Washi tape is one of the categories in this challenge, right? So the Noel Merry Christmas is washi. The snowmen are washi. The Happy Holidays, washi. The others are strips of paper. This is a card that I make this idea a lot where I use the scraps and then I trim them down. The trick is I wanted my washi tape folded over so it got a little more complex and I wouldn't trim the card down quite like I would have. So this card at the bottom, it's cut off, but up here the washi wraps around and gives a nice clean edge. So if you're gonna use washi to do scrap cards like this, I would cut the piece of paper the size you want, like this one. So after I made this one, I thought, well, I don't have that much holiday washi. Oh, silly me. I had a bunch of red and a bunch of silver. And then if you mix in, here's another holiday washi that I had. If you mix in the metallics and the neutrals and that kind of stuff, whatever season you're working on can go a long, long way. If it's spring or florals or blue, I have tons and tons. I think I'm going to make quite a few that are blue. So in Joy of Blue, I would not be surprised if you see a bunch of washi cards. And I thought those were super fun. But again, I would trim this paper the right size and then wrap the corners. And these I kind of did like when you're doing the front of a scrapbook where I trimmed it really close and folded it. I like that clean look. And then this is just a cut apart from a paper pack. Those are my 6 cards today. These are not cards that I would have made if it hadn't been for this challenge. And that's kind of the point of it. Smash our stash. Dig in, use things that you wouldn't normally have used. I can't wait to check out the rest of the collaborators. The links will be in the description box down below. And you and I will both get some great ideas about how to smash our stash. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Bye-bye.